Today I want to show you how to make a mold for the zipper wallet. You can make a zipper wallet without mold, but if you make a mold, it is a lot easier to make a smooth curve. The material can be various. I usually use useless leather because they become pretty stiff when you glue them together. And sometimes I use boxes because they are very readily available. We all have one or two boxes in our house, right? But boxes are not that stiff as useless leather. I think that wood can be a very ideal material for mold. But most of us cannot handle wood, can we? Let's take a look at how to make. I'll use leather this time. You prepare 3 parts like this. Number 1 and number 3 parts should be the same size as one side of your inside pattern. And number 2 should be smaller than the others. And the very important thing here is thickness. The thickness of this mold should be slightly thinner than this part in total. And the thickness of number 2 should be the same or slightly larger than the zipper's teeth. Then let's take a quick look at how to attach the zipper. Align the inside leather part and the mold, and fix them with tongs. Apply glue. When it comes to glue, it is better if it keeps adhesiveness even if it's left for a long time, because attaching zipper could take time. Or you can just apply properly. Put the teeth in the crevice and then attach those 3 parts first. Attach a round part with something thin like a needle. This part is round, right? Then fabric has a larger area than the leather. But because the zipper is a fabric, we can make wrinkle and attach it in the leather part. You don't have to worry about this part because it will be covered, but make sure the round area be smooth. Thank you for watching. If you have any suggestion about what you want to know, leave a comment. I'll consider it. Subscribe my channel and get information.